Using Revit, I started with a blank file and referenced in the structural model, cut down to a view of the foundations, and using some extensions from the Autodesk subscription site for point location parameters. I've been putting in points on pile caps that are from the design models, and then we get the field engineering to check those coordinates against our control grid. So this is the foundation layout, and I've got points. These are data device reference point family, adding these parameters, which captures the northing, easting, and elevation, and puts a point number on it. Once these are in place, then you use the schedules tool to create a schedule. So this, you extract that point data using the data devices, and that schedule can be exported as a CSV, which can be automatically imported into the Trimble device as a set of points. And it's basically, it's a CSV point file. It has a header that has the description of the point data.
And so you load onto the handheld directly out of your computer,
yes,
just with a USB port, and that's it?
Yep.
Okay, and it takes the CSV file and you've got it?
Just import the points and then you're rocking and rolling.
There's a screen that shows all your points, and then you can put it on the different layers. But as you can see, it gets kind of, I mean, you can zoom in and what we're doing. So the main thing I put in is really just like these C numbers are the center of the columns, column grid, C55, 39.
Are these out of the
C40.
model, or is this what you've taken from the field?
They're out of the model, and both. I mean, they're out of the model. You
Okay.
can say they're out of the model. It's an actual coordinate value that's there. And then they represent them 4 columns out there.
Okay.
The centers of them. Like that big steel cage, that's one of them right there. And then the pit, just an example, these T, that's a telephone pit. Them 4 are the inside corners of the pit down there. From the inside corners, you can take them and just do an offset line like the TP2 and TP3, the 2 inside corners of that pit.
Mm-hmm.
And say you want to work with that line, and you don't have to really calculate anything more. You just, with the footing, which is a 1.5 feet off to the outside, it'll automatically show you when you're 1.5 feet off.
When they get into laying out systems in the building, it's possible for the HVAC,
Mm-hmm.
the ductwork sub can load points from their design model into the system and have it laser point where their hangers need to go.
But it's real fast for doing as-builts as far as site work and stuff, man. We were doing underground duct banks after they pour the duct bank, and I just walk around there and it's just quick. And when the next utility contractor came in, like the Flint Energies, they were wanting to me to locate it, so I was able to go right back to the same points and put them right back after as an as-built them. Just set them right back and had a cut to the concrete again, to the top of the concrete where the duct bank was.
This is a repeater for the GPS coordinate system that the civil team is using out here. All the site work, all the machines are being run off of GPS coordinates.